healthy snacks.
What are you doing? I'm having a snack. I'm hungry. Do you know how much sugar there is in that? It's so unhealthy. Put it back. You should have something healthy instead. Something that helps you feel good and gives you energy. Yeah. Okay, like what? Why don't you try almonds? Almonds are high in vitamin E and filled with antioxidants. They help protect against diseases. Diseases? So if I take them, I don't need to worry about getting coronavirus. No. You should still stay safe. Wash your hands, wear a mask, and social distance. Okay. Try Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has a high amount of protein, twice as much as ordinary yogurt. Protein is good for repairing and building muscle. It is also good for the bones, with a high amount of calcium. That's pretty good. What about dried fruit? Dried fruit is highly nutritious and has 3.5 times more fiber than fresh fruit. Wow! Have you tried chickpeas? Chickpeas are also high in fiber and protein. They make you feel full, reducing your calorie intake, helping you to lose some weight. I suppose that's a good idea. I've left the best for last. Avocado. Avocados are extremely nutritious and very good for your heart. They're also filled with fiber and potassium. That's absolutely amazing. Okay, so what are you gonna have then? I'm going to have everything you've just mentioned. Great, good choice. Starting tomorrow. Today, I'm just going to have this because I feel like it. Thanks though. Wait!
Time for a recap. Healthy snacks help you feel good and have energy. Greek yogurt, it has a high amount of calcium and is good for the bones. Chickpeas, they make you feel full and reduce your calorie intake. Dried fruit, they have 3.5 times more fiber than fresh fruit. Avocado, they are very good for the heart and are loaded with potassium. Almonds, they are high in vitamin E and are filled with antioxidants.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. There'll be more videos coming soon. Until next time, bye bye. Tastes delicious.